Hi guys, in this video I'll talk about how to use the Liquid Carousel effect. And it is kind of a cool animation effect which you can use to show the different pages, and for that you can use the Gooey Carousel package. So now let us go and just check it out. Gooey Carousel Flutter package, and then click on the installing section, and now you can copy this, which you have to paste under the pubspec.yaml in pubspec.yaml under the dependencies. And since I have already done that, I won't be doing it, but what you just need to do is just press Ctrl S or save it, and then it will install the packages automatically for you. And after this is done, now you can use this. So for that I'll just create a file and name it as carousel.dart, and okay, I will create it within this, sorry for that. And now I'll import material.dart, and after that I'll import the Gooey Carousel as well. And now I'll make my class extend the stateless widget, and I'll name it as carousel or carousel. And in this I'll just keep it as it is, and within the container I'll assign my child a few widgets. And okay, I'll just make it an empty container for now and save it. After that I'll just import it within the main.dart file so that I can use it, and I will do that directly by using this carousel. Now you can see that it has been automatically imported here, and now I'll just save this, and now you can see an empty container and it is of black color by default. Now let's dive into it, that how we can use the Gooey Carousel. So for that, in child we'll assign it GWEY and carousel, and within this we need to assign a few widgets within the children. So for that I'll use the simple widgets like container and just assign it with different color. So I'll make it as colors.yellow, and then again one more widget, and I'll assign the colors as colors.red, and once again one more container, and here I'll assign the color as colors.pink, and once again one more container, and here I'll assign the color as colors.purple. Okay, so here are the 4 widgets which we are using to display this effect. So I'll save it. So what happens is that, so this will be represented as different pages. Okay, I guess there's some kind of error, so just restart it instead of hot reload. Okay, so now I'll tell what happens. So okay, so now it is visible. So now what you are seeing is the first page that is of yellow color, and you can't see the red, pink, purple as it is. And these 4 containers here are the 4 widgets which will appear when you just drag this screen from one end to other end. So for that, let me show you how this works. Okay, so now you saw that once I pulled it, we can see the red screen, and then pink, and then purple. So you have the cool effect of liquid animation kind of thing. So this looks pretty good. So just imagine that if you change your widgets and then use this effect, how cool it will look. So that's it for this tutorial, and if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.